Hey guys, welcome back. Shout out to all the students who are planning to take the LET 2026. Are you ready? I don't know if this will work for everyone, but it really worked for me. I wanna share this strategy with you, so listen up. And basin makatabang sad ni sa inyo ha. Ang sequence sa akong pag-review yun is giuna na ako ang professional education, ayha ang gen ed, then ayha din akong major which is ang math. I started my review with professional education because guys, honestly, dili jud dali-dali ang pag-answer sa proof ed na questions. Grabe kalibog. As in. And may experience na ninyo as you go on along your review journey. As in jud guys. That's why I decided na mag-unagid ko review anang proof ed. Proof ed is not about memorization. It's all about critical thinking, analytical thinking, and of course, understanding the teaching strategies as well as the teaching situations and yung classroom scenario. Yes guys, dapat maintindihan ninyo kung paano siya na-apply sa classroom ng mga scenario. Yung mga theories, principles, etc. Dili siya basta-basta nga terms lang, mind you guys. So I studied first the professional education, starting from theories, principles, and other teaching strategies. Yan. And then after that, I reviewed the general education. Yes guys, nag-review center ko, but wala nag-end di ara ang akong pag-review. So pag taga-uli na ako sa balay, gina-practice na ako akong self. Na ay times nga, na ay days nga dili ko maka-practice kay lagi inconsistent ko mag-review. Pero ginapaning kamutan gina nako nga maka-practice jud ko sa balay. And then nakatabang pud sa ako ng mga YouTubers bitaw. Daghan kayo mga YouTubers gid nga nakatabang sa ako sa general education na subject. Grabe daghan kaayog mga terms, mga wala didto nga mga concepts. And then may bala na nimo kay daghan magud kaayong mga resources. And kanang resources ma-encounter na nimo sa nagkalain-lain na mga resources sa YouTube. Kay ang mga YouTubers gahatag man sila og mga lahi-lahi nga content sa Gen Ed. So maybe mag-work po na sa inyo ha. When I finally reviewed math, my mind was clearer and now more focused. I already had now my momentum, so the pressure was lower. That would be all. So again guys, this strategy might not work for you, but for some might work as well. So all I can say is trust your review process.